Hello friends, welcome to our channel Homeopathy the Healing Power. Friends, today we are going to study homeopathic medicine Hekla Lava. Friends, generally we know that this medicine Hekla Lava is used for toothache after extraction of tooth or toothache due to caries in teeth. But this medicine is not just limited up to toothache. Hekla Lava can also be prescribed in diseases of bones. This is one of the pathological medicine. It works wonderfully in diseases of bones like osteosarcoma, exostosis, rickets, osteomyelitis and osteitis. This medicine also has a very beautiful story behind its proving, which once again gives us best example of how keen observer a homeopathic physician should be. So friends, let's start in detail study of this medicine. But before that, if you are new to our channel or if you have not subscribed our channel till now, then subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and select option all so that you will be get notified whenever a new video is uploaded from Homeopathy the Healing Power. So let's get started. Hekla Lava. This medicine is prepared from the trituration of lava which is thrown from the volcano, and this volcano is present in Mount Hekla in Iceland. This medicine is proved by Dr. Garth Wilkinson of London. Once Dr. Wilkinson visited to Mount Hekla, where he noticed that the cows and sheep which were grazing around the vicinity area of this Mount Hekla were suffering from exostosis of jaws. They were also having a tumor-like growth in the bones of their limbs. Dr. Wilkinson noticed that almost every cow and sheep suffered this disease. Also, it was seen that the milk of these cows and sheep dried up very soon. So, on post-mortem examination of these animals, it was found that the tissue has become very calcareous and friable. Dr. Wilkinson noticed that the vicinity of Mount Hekla contained very minute and fine particles of ashes of this volcano. These ashes were rich in silica, alumina, lime, magnesia and oxide of iron. And these animals used to graze in this area. In further experiments, it was also seen that all the tissues and intestine of these animals were filled with ash. They suffered from large swelling on the jaws. So later, Dr. Wilkinson proved this medicine in many potencies. And after proving an experimentation, it was found that this medicine, Hekla Lava, can be used for the treatment of tumors, induration, exostosis, nodositis, caries, and other syphilitic destruction of bones. Hekla Lava acts on bones, on glands, on tissues, and on cartilages. On bones, it specially acts on jaws. Friends, now let's see one by one indications of Hekla Lava. Hekla Lava is indicated for any hard stony swelling on bones at any place. That may be osteoma, exostosis, osteosarcoma or even in osteomyelitis. It is also useful medicine for tumors of glands and for cartilages. Hekla Lava is also indicated in necrosis of bones and in syphilitic conditions of bones. There are severe neuralgic pain seen in these diseases, which gets aggravated from touch and from pressure. Hekla Lava can also be indicated for those tumors which are very sensitive to touch and to pressure. Hekla Lava has its special action on jaw bone, where it is specifically used for toothache. Toothache which occurs after extraction of tooth. Also due to gum abscess. Hekla Lava is also indicated for swelling of jaws and for enlargement of maxillary bones. Here even it can be applied externally. Friends, for toothache, we have again one medicine in our homeopathic Matra Medica, that is Plantago Major. This medicine is also useful for toothache, even it can be applied externally, but it has a very typical type of pain, which is different from Hecla lava. Friends, we have discussed this medicine already on our channel. I am mentioning the link of this video in the description box and right now in the I button. You can watch this video also. Hecla lava also acts on glands. Here it specially acts on cervical glands. Here the induration and infiltration of cervical glands is seen. This medicine is generally used in lower potencies. Also, this medicine is used for difficult dentition. So friends, this is a detailed video on homeopathic medicine Hecla lava. A very useful medicine for pathological conditions and for diseases of bones, where it will be very helpful to relieve the complaints of patient. Friends, leave your valuable feedback and any suggestion in the comments section given below. Like this video and share this video. Subscribe the channel. Meet you soon. Thank you for watching.